see that.
Or
Yeah,
just,
experience it.
residual.
Or hear it.
Yeah, maybe not intelligent. It just happens when it happens like a record.
Like that. Oh, who's over there?
Wow.
I know. Should I have a mic? Hey guys. So we're at the wool warehouse in Albuquerque. We had a reception here about 13 years ago, and the place is pretty haunted.
How is this way?
I don't know, you got pushed.
We're gonna go investigate.
Yep.
If you guys see anything or hear anything, let us know down in the comments.
But yeah, this is a wool warehouse, downtown Albuquerque. Wool warehouse, yeah. So, but yeah, we'll catch you in a bit. I ain't gonna lie, I'm kind of nervous.
Why? Oh, there's a light upstairs. Oh no, there's...
Huh? Yeah, because we sat right over there on the stage. And that was the dance floor.
We sat over there and then we
Yeah, because that column is where I had my dollar dance, and this column is where you had your dollar dance. But I thought it was bigger.
Where did we come in from?
Over here, because the buffet was right here.
Oh, some chairs for sure.
No. I don't remember the bar.
Are you sure?
Yeah, because this...
That's the stage.
Uh-huh. Yep.
Right?
Yeah. Over here. Because this is where Tim gave us that shot.
Oh yeah, I guess over. This is where someone whispered, huh?
Yeah. Because this is where we stood for our reception. Or for our pictures. Now you got pushed over here. Yeah, because we stood center stage.
This is center stage right here. So I guess somebody got married here and then they did the reception there. There are people here just checking on us, so if you hear them, that's them.
But we did hear something sound like it was running over here in the top portion. When we were here during our reception, we actually heard whistling, and
I got pushed.
Amber got pushed,
and my hair went forward.
and then we saw a little girl playing on the stage, or what looked to be a little girl. So, yeah, it's still kind of spooky.
Like, yeah, bring music. lot of memories.
It is spooky. Because when we were here, Franco, Jonah, and I, we went back here.
Back here?
Yeah, well, behind stage.
Like, I'm getting dizzy.
Yeah. I'm not liking this. And by the way, guys, it's 11:30 in the morning, and this place is already creepy. Oh, that was the workers.
So I better be quiet.
Shh.
Be quiet. Shh. Listen. I feel like I'm dizzy, like swaying.
I know.
There's people who do this in place.
They had a big wedding here last night, so they're playing cleanup.
Just be a truck. This is the one. I heard like shuffle in here.
I don't like it back here.
What is that? That's them over there, but I hear something in here. Okay, and it goes right here. This part. We're just visiting.
Were you just breathing?
Trying to reminisce. Huh? We're just trying to reminisce. I'm not sure if you guys remember us. We're not here for any harm. We're just looking around. Or if you have something to say. What is that? Oh, backstage. Where's the guy that we saw? Where's that guy that I saw in the hat? It was like up there, huh?
Yeah, it was. So, I don't know if it's going to come into focus or not. Try to go slow. But above that red, above this red, there's more up there. And we saw a guy that was up there. Or a face of a guy. It's really creepy.
My stomach just made a noise, but Ryan, I just want to stay.
I just saw an orb.
I just want to stay back there for some reason. Like, I don't want to leave there.
I do.
I don't. I want to go back.
No.
Why? There's nothing there.
Amber,
There's nothing there.
come on. Yeah.
Where?
It flew. God, you scared me. You know this place is haunted, right? No,
Oh, it is.
no, it is.
We have stories to tell you if you want to hear
I've
them.
been working here for like 2 years and like 6-7 months and never
Nothing?
experienced anything.
When we were taking pictures up there, we saw a guy with a top hat up here, just
What?
staring at us.
No way.
Yeah,
This is 13 years ago.
yeah.
And then,
You guys 13 years ago saw
Yeah,
it?
we had
Yeah.
a reception here.
And then we would come up here and we saw what looked to be like a little girl playing on stage, and then we would hear whistling.
Yeah, they'd come up to you and talk in your ear because I was sitting over here on the stairs, and like they would talk to you in your ear and stuff.
Well, maybe it could be haunted, but maybe
mean, it's pretty
it
old.
goes away after a while. I mean,
Maybe.
Because
Maybe.
like sometimes I come here and just hang out with my phone and
Nothing.
alone too in the dark and stuff.
You're braver than I am.
Crazy. Yeah, but the thing is, we have our own paranormal group, so.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, when they were setting up like the chairs and stuff, the chairs kept pulling down on them. And
They weren't like these chairs, they were the folding chairs. And at first I'm like, okay, well maybe we didn't put them up right. But after a while they just started falling, and then finally I was like, knock it off, and it didn't fall for the rest of the day.
that's kind of one of the reasons why I want to come back, just because like we experienced that. Like, well, maybe it will or won't happen again, but we don't want to stay here forever either.
So what are you guys gonna have now? You had a wedding here?
Yeah,
Reception.
well, we got married 13 years ago and had our reception here.
And we were on our way down to Old Town, and we're like, what if we should just go by the Wool Warehouse? And then found the number and called, and they gave me the new owner's number. And he's like, yeah, absolutely. Go around, look around.
Which is pretty cool. We don't want to overstay either.
Oh, no. You can stay there. Take as much pictures. It don't matter. But yeah, I mean, like I've heard stories too about a guy named Bob and that girl, but I've never experienced anything.
That's crazy.
Not recently, like not this year, because I stopped working for a year when I came back. But when I first started, like I would feel like a presence or something.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yep. And he's been working here since forever, and he's never had nothing.
Yeah, I've been working here for like 11 years.
Jeez.
Oh wow.
So you started after we had a reception here
What's up? Maybe, I mean, I don't know.
13 years ago.
No, I'm probably 11 years working here.
Yeah.
You know, we're just telling them the stuff that we encountered 13 years ago, so that's why we kind of came back to see.
Yeah.
Crazy.
It is spooky though, but theaters have that thing too, where they're spooky.
It's pretty old too.
Yeah. No, it's pretty cool.
90 or 80 some years old, right?
Yeah. Well, they used to say that right there on the stairway, they used to catch an old lady,
Which
or
one?
the main one
Oh.
over there. Yeah, they would catch a lady in like a black dress, but it's like a period dress. So back in the what?
1900s.
Yeah, like 20s and 30s. But like even when we were up there before you guys walked in, there was something over here running up and running around.
Really?
Maybe
Maybe a little more sensitive to
it's
it.
distinct. Like we can hear you guys back there doing whatever.
But this was like,
It was pretty loud, like running.
yeah,
Oh, really? Maybe it's different people that are able to see that.
Or
Yeah,
just,
experience it.
residual.
Or hear it.
Yeah, maybe not intelligent. It just happens when it happens like a record.
like that. Who's over there? No, seriously, who's over there?
Yeah, maybe it's different people. Did
Yeah.
you guys get any good pictures?
Yeah. Snapchat, you gotta love it. Yeah.
Right, ready?
Yep, I think
Alright.
we're ready.
Well, thank you guys so much. We
Let's
do
guys get to
appreciate
lunch.
it. Yeah,
Yeah,
let's
no
get some
problem.
head out.
So you guys have your own, that you guys go to haunted places here and stuff, or what?
Try
Yeah,
to.
We're trying to. I'm from here, but we live in Omaha, Nebraska right now. So we kind of get over there and stuff, and doing a YouTube channel. So it's kind of.
What's it called?
We haven't posted. We're trying to get a lot of videos first and stuff
Oh,
before we do
okay.
it. Like not haunted, but just anything.
Anything.
Yeah.
So
And
it'll
then
be
we'll
on
probably
here.
put it on there. We're what is it called? We're gonna
Echo
call it Echo
Travel
Travel Adventures.
Yeah, because it doesn't necessarily have to be like catching that stuff. It could,
Right.
like,
It's just kind of hanging out.
Yeah.
Just exploring. I mean, that's the whole thing. Is like, you can make anything an adventure.
Mhm.
You know.
And you can like kind of do like video or pictures and just write and say a few think
Yeah.
about the history of the place.
Well, and being in here,
Yeah.
because we got a video of here and we'll probably post it, which is good for you guys as far as business.
Yeah,
you know?
well, like, of course we're gonna put all the description, the link, and like all that kind of stuff. Like, it's not where we're gonna go in a place and like, yeah, this is not it at all.
Yeah.
But we're excited. Like, this isn't like home, but it's something special to us because our reception.
And
So-
everything else has closed since we got married.
Really?
Yeah,
Mhm.
like what's it called? Lone Star restaurant that I took her for our first date. That closed down over here in
But
Cottonwood.
we're also old, so.
You know, where I asked her to marry me, that place closed. So this place hasn't closed, so that's good.
Yeah.
But it's a historical site,
It's
so it's not going to.
close.
Yeah, it's been open for a while.
Yeah. No, but I know you guys are probably getting hungry. You still have a lot of work to do. But yeah, we'll
We'll just-
mosey on out.
Yeah, we'll head on out now. Thank you guys.
Yeah.
It's crazy how it still looks the same.
I know.
That's my curiosity. That if a place is haunted, it probably goes away after a few years.
Yeah,
You know?
that's true.
It can't be haunted forever.
Could be.
Maybe.
But who knows?
Yeah. No, because like when we did everything, like they had their head table right on the stage, and then we all did the dancing and all that stuff. But yeah, no, this place hasn't changed. I thought it was bigger.
Yeah, it felt like it was bigger. We probably didn't have as many tables though either, so.
It looks bigger once it's like all set up.
Yeah, maybe that's what it was.
Thank you.
But awesome.
Alright.